In the spirit of Bleach, let me read you a poem. But first, you should know my poems are not poems. Once you know that my poems are not poems, then we can begin to discuss poetry. My hut lies in the middle of a dense forest. Every year, the green ivy grows longer. No news of the affairs of men, only the occasional song of a woodcutter. The sun shines, and I mend my robe. When the moon comes out, I read poems. I have nothing to report, my friends. If you want to find the meaning, stop chasing after so many things. Thank you very much. It's a cold, broken, blessed hallelujah. Victory March.